when I came to Auschwitz a few months later, I think almost everybody became very sick. My mother had malaria too, but she never had typhus. I was the one who came down with typhus. And I had very little memory of what went on. But my mother dressed me every morning, took me out to the Zählerpell, which is the equivalent of roll call, and dragged me to work so that I wouldn't be beaten or sent into the hospital barracks, which really was a death barracks. So my mother dragged me around, but of course I looked terrible. And there was a selection for the gas chambers one time, and we were standing outside, and an SS man told me to go in one direction and my mother into another because I looked so sick, and of course I was just wasting the food, this 200-calorie worth of food that they gave us every day. So my mother pleaded with him and said that, well, I'm her child, and can't I come with her? And he said, no, but if you're so concerned about your daughter, go with her. And she was just about to do this. And one of the women who was working in the barracks, I think she swept floors and maybe cleaned the chimney, the stoves, and whatever other menial work. But she had some kind of protected position, whatever that was worth. She sort of grabbed me under one arm, and my mother grabbed my other arm, and we managed to walk away. We were not even stopped, it was some kind of miracle that the SS man didn't notice us or pretended not to notice us, and we just kept going, and my life was saved that day. It was really the most amazing thing. I can't figure out. Of course, I was sick, and I don't know exactly what went on. It was the excitement of the moment, but my life was saved that way.